My name is Komal Dhumne and here I am the student of Persistent for Spoken English and Personality Development VADA. Today I feel truly honored to stand before you and share my journey of learning, personal growth and the confidence I have gained through this incredible platform. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I have completed my MSc in microbiology and I have been working as an assistant professor for last 5 years. Even though I have been teaching for 5 years, but I always felt that something was missing, something very important. I was confident in my subject, but not in my speech. Every time I had to speak in English, whether in meeting, presentation, or even casual conversation, I used to feel not in my stomach. I would pause, hesitate, search for words, and sometimes I just stay silent. That silence, it was not just because of I didn't have idea. It was because I didn't know how to express them confidently. So like many of us, I tried to fix it online. I downloaded app, watched YouTube video, but still I was stuck. Something was missing and that something was guidance with connection. Then one day my brother told me about Persistent. He said you should meet Apsar sir and Parvez sir. They don't just teach English, they build confidence. And he was absolutely right. From the very first day at Persistent, I felt something different. The environment was not just about learning, it was about growing. It was about pushing your limit, facing your fear and discovering your real voice. At first, I struggled. I couldn't even answer a basic grammar question when I met Apsar sir and Parvez sir for the first time. But thanks to their support and guidance, I gained confidence day by day. I learned how to speak confidently in front of an audience. Earlier, even speaking a few lines was difficult for me, but now I can present myself confidently on the stage. Then there was another turning point I will never forget. Sir gave us grammar test. I scored very low. Then in an oral grammar test, I couldn't perform well. I didn't win any prize that day, but I didn't give up. I made a decision. From now, I will try to win prize in every task. And from that day till today, I have won prize in every task. That failure became my biggest motivation. Then one more struggle that I clearly remember. When conversation task began, just stepping on the stage made my heart beat so fast. But today that fear is gone. I feel calm, composed and excited to speak. Let me tell you something from the heart. You are in right place, but this place can only help you if you give your 100%. Stay regular, do your homework, participate actively in every task, try to speak with your friend, family or even with yourself in front of a mirror. Read loud to improve your pronunciation and most importantly, trust the process. It may be difficult in the beginning, but with consistency and support from our wonderful teacher, you will definitely see the improvement. Friends, if I can overcome my fear of English, so can you? And last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks to Apsar sir and Parvez sir. You are not just a teacher, you are true mentor. Let me leave you with this line. Fluency doesn't come from fear, it's come from faith. Faith in yourself and faith in the journey. I wish you best of luck for your brighter future and wonderful improvement journey. Thank you so much.